for another unboxing video. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max that I recently received, y'all. So ready to open up this phone and show you guys what's in it. We're starting with how the box comes. It comes just like this, in a brown little box or whatever. It don't seem too secure. It's rattling, but we're just gonna get into opening it in the box. I know y'all don't want to see me on camera. Y'all just want to see this phone, so I'm not even jumping on the camera. I'm just gonna open it up with these 5-year-old scissors. These are my daughter's scissors. And let's see how the box. Look at this. Okay. Okay, AT&T. And I recently got this phone because I broke my phone. And thank God I had insurance, because I don't know what I would do if I didn't have insurance. I don't even remember even getting insurance. So I'm glad I had it. But let's open it up so y'all can see right inside. Okay, it's all janky. They always do me some type of way. So this is the phone. Dang. This is the Gold Max iPhone 13. Y'all, this is how it looks. Let's get into it. Let's get into this bad boy. Okay, hold on. Okay. We got something going on here. Peel that up. Okay. Lick and stick pillar. Okay. This ain't that, like, you know what I'm saying? It's not that interesting. Just get right to it. What? I haven't had the Pro Max in so long. I'm upgrading from my iPhone 11, so, which I'm actually recording on the 11 right now, because I have to return the 11 to get some credit on this phone. But look at this, y'all. There it is. It comes with, that ain't nothing. Okay, just comes with the cord, like so, and a little pamphlet, like so. And you have it. It doesn't come with the box anymore. Of course, they always trying to take something. But this is the phone. Ooh, y'all better stop playing. Look at that. Look at this. What? That is crazy, y'all. That's crazy. I'm gonna leave this here. I have some accessories to go with it. Let me go get that so we can put that on. So first, let me cut this phone on. See if it cuts on. Maybe not. Okay, there you go. That famous Apple logo. See if we can set this phone up right here. Oh, you better stop lying. Y'all, that what? You better stop lying. That was nice. I'm gonna sit here and watch y'all curse with every language. Okay. That is what? Y'all playing. That's nice. English. United. Okay. It's wow. It's like I barely got to it and it moved. So I don't know. Quick start. Okay, so let's connected. Okay. We connected. What? Okay. Next. Okay. It's gonna take a second. Set that in privacy. Face. Let me set that up with my face. Okay, y'all, so this is the phone right out the box. I did my iCloud, so it's just downloaded all the apps. So yes, this is the screen. I don't have my chip in there yet because it's still in my old phone, but that is pretty much it. It looks just like your phone. It's really, I love how smooth the phone glides so nicely. I love the color. Let's look at the camera, y'all. What? Look at that. The video. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I'm scared to drop it. Look at the video quality. I don't know if y'all can see it good though. Let me see. I can see it good. But that's how it looks, the camera, the photo. What? That was crazy. That is crazy. What? So these are like all the features. I'm gonna go ham. What? I'm gonna go ham with this on the videos. So that is the camera, you guys. And what else is about this phone? Let's see what the iOS says. What does it come with? Okay, so it comes to 14. You have to download to get the 15, which I'll learn about that and download later. But yes, this is how. But okay, the phone is getting hot already though. Y'all better stop playing. It's warm with the camera that I just turned on probably. So I don't have to watch out for that, y'all. But I love how the phone is made. It's going back to the old iPhone, and that is nice. It is warm, getting warm in my hand. That's crazy, but we'll see. Let's get into the accessories. I did buy a case from just a clear case, y'all, because I didn't get a case with the phone when I bought it. So I had to go on Amazon and get like a quick 1-day shipping type thing to get a phone case, y'all. So that's how it looks. This is like the mirror thing. And I have these camera covers to help. Let's see, I'm just all over the place. Okay, you're gonna put this on over the camera. And they do have like real nice design, like diamonds, which I'm gonna get later, but I needed a 1-day shipping, so I just got something that can come really quick. Also like the case, so I'm gonna get that soon, y'all. But let me try to put this on. It's a bad phone, y'all. Period. It's a bad phone. Ain't much to it. I gotta go see the features because it looks like my phone. That's it. But yeah. So there you have it, you guys. The iPhone 13 Pro Max. Listen, there you go. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to like this video because it really helps my channel out. Thank you guys. Have a great day.